Okay, guys. So, yeah, it's been I want to say like 2 hours. Ooh, oh, I stepped in the mud. I want to say it's been like 2 hours since the last clip. And nothing really has changed. I mean, we got a couple dark clouds here and there, but nothing special. I honestly really did think there was going to be a tornado today, and obviously I will update you if there really happens to be one. And our fear is that it may happen in the middle of the night. And I will tell you why here in a minute. But yeah, nothing spectacular yet. Here is kind of the view that we're seeing right now. Nothing special. For a minute, we did have the clouds from there coming, like going from there to there, and then they started coming this way. But they started to push back this way, if that makes any sense. So, excuse me. I'm sorry, that was really gross. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I mean, it's not, I just had this feeling like there's going to be a tornado today. Me and my mom both think that there's going to be a tornado today, and she never, ever thinks there's going to be a tornado. She never wants one, but when she really, like, when I ever ask her, and I'm like, I mean, like, if I tell her things that really can be a tornado, she never really feels as if it were actually going to come to life. But this time, she really thinks I'm right, and so I was like, well, that's first. So I honestly think I'm right on this, and here, this is my reason to why, if it's not going to come now, it's going to be in the middle of the night. We're supposed to get so it's supposed to, at 10 p.m., it's supposed to start thundering and lightning till like 6 in the morning, and that's kind of like sketchy. So, I mean, that honestly kind of gives me like reason to be worried, because I mean that honestly just kind of like takes your breath away. It's like, how does it thunder and lightning for that long? I don't know. But did you see that? But anyway, yeah, I mean, like, that's like the reason we think it's gonna be that way. Plus, I mean, I hate saying this, my mom really never thinks I'm right about storms. But she loves me and I love her still. Meaning by that, but if you're wondering, like, it's kind of a mean of a mom to do that. She's just telling the truth. Okay? Plus, she honestly, she knows I love storms, but she knows that I'm not always accurate with it, because when I say there's gonna be a tornado and I think that there's a funnel cloud, there never is. So she just kind of, it makes sense. It really does. So, this time she agrees with me, and that just kind of like shocked me, as you saw in like a couple parts ago. She definitely thought it was, and within those hour and a half, 2 hours that I wasn't recording from the last clip, my mom, when the clouds were like over there, we looked at the clouds and we're like, it's gonna be a tornado. But honestly, they always say the calm before the storm, and that is definitely true as of right now. There's definitely, I mean, like, I hate, like, a part of me is like, there's gonna be no tornado, but I really just have this feeling that it's gonna come and it's not gonna be pretty. Like, so, yeah. Oh, jeez. for you guys right now. Nothing interesting. Bye-bye for now. Peace out. Okay, so it's been about, I don't know. Oh, this is what. It's been about 45 minutes to an hour since the last clip. I know I have chocolate all over my face. Don't judge. Storms are starting to come back. So, yeah. Look behind me. Oh, yeah. Well, I only have 10 minutes left of storage, so, I'm gonna have to go. But I will update you when something exciting happens. Oh, yeah. So, excuse me. See ya then. And hey guys, so it is Maddie, and so my part 1, part 2, and part 3. So I'm actually still trying to upload part 2. Excuse me. Of my, I thought it was a tornado. It has been, I think, 2 days since I last recorded. I did not have a proper light, and right now I'm outside. It's like 9:30ish, and so that's why the quality looks like crap. But I've been looking at the sky, and I don't know if I'm just paranoid now or what, but I'm definitely seeing like a cloud that, sorry, my bad lungs are kicking in. I don't know if it's just like me, but it kind of looks like a tornado wall, and it's probably just because I'm paranoid, but you know, we'll find out in the middle of the night when we're woken up by tornado sirens. Yee. Okay, so let me just give you the record. So these are and it's light on camera. It's really dark actually. Anyway, basically, oh wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah. So over there is where like the sun comes. I mean, the dark clouds come, and over there is where the sun sets, and it's still kind of like setting and stuff. And I don't know if you see that right there. But that started right there. And it just, in my opinion, it looked like it was kind of like swirling a little bit over there now. So, I mean, that's kind of like a far drift. And I think I'm just paranoid because I think I'm seeing another one trying to fall. I don't know. I think I'm just paranoid, like, honestly. Oh my god, look at how pretty that is. Oh, the moon's like right there. It's like right there. Look so beautiful. But yeah, this time, so last time I was like, I think I have a pretty strong hunch, or hinge, whatever you want to say, that it's gonna be a tornado. And it didn't happen. This time I have another strong one, and this one's nuts. Oh, look how pretty that is! Oh my gosh! It's really blurry on camera, but the moon came out. The cloud passed it. Oh, but anyway, I'm honestly feeling a little bit more stronger about there's gonna be a tornado on this one than the last one. I better get a shower quick. Oh, wait, maybe now you can see it. Oh yeah. Beautiful. And I've honestly I've been trying to document this because, like, if anything ever does happen, meaning I think there is going to be something bad happening, meaning weather-wise, aka tornado-wise, that's going to happen in Ohio sometime this week, and I honestly just want it documented just in case anything ever does happen. And, I mean, yeah, I think that's kind of like important and cool and stuff like that. But so when I'm seeing another tornado wall, I'm talking about it there. And since it's nighttime, it's very hard to see detail in graphics through a Samsung S7 phone camera. But I'm trying my best, people. I'm trying my best. But I mean, I can probably like, ah, crap. Like, I see like maybe if I put my hand right. Oh yeah, that looks horrible. So okay, so the first wall that I thought I saw, it just kind of like dissipated. But yeah, my mom took our dog on a walk. They've been gone for like 15 minutes. I swear, I don't know where they went. Really don't. They probably got stuck talking to people. Because I know they weren't even, they were like not even half of a football field away and they were already talking to someone. We're talking like for like 8 minutes. It was horrible. But I was gonna go, but my anxiety kicked in. I will be doing a video of my anxiety here pretty soon. Sorry, I just had to make sure it's still recording. But yeah, look how pretty that moon is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? Okay, so the second wall that I thought I saw, don't see it. Now I think the first one, let's see. Oh my god, it's still coming, I think. By the way, those are the school lights. They always leave them on. And they wonder why we are low on world oil. It just kills me. Alright, enough of this.